Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how I built an app, an AI powered app in just 10 minutes without coding any single line of code. So how I built it and what it is. So app is called Do You Know and I named it in Hindi Tumko Pata Hai. So what it does is like you can upload any pic or you can click any pictures anywhere and it will tell you some cool interesting facts about that object or things you uploaded. And you can see like I uploaded this image. This is an shoe floating on water. It's generated by Flux model and it's just random image I uploaded, and the AI of this app I built explained this to me. Okay, so coming back to what I used to build this in 10 minutes. So for building the app, I used Lovable.dev. It's an AI app builder. You can just give it a prompt and it will create a great apps for you. It can handle basic root operation. It also lets you connect with Supabase as a DB or auth, and you can get full functionality generated with just a single command. And for the AI features in my app, this one I used Qwen vision models by Nebius AI Studio. So why Nebius AI Studio? Nebius AI Studio is a model provider, or you can say inference provider for AI. So it's a full stack platform which lets you use multiple open LLMs like Qwen, DeepSeek, Phi, Mistral, MetaLlama, and others. It has lots of text to text models, embedding models, text to image models, and I used Vision model, this one, for my app. Now let's come to the Lovable and see how it generates the app. So I'm giving one command to it. Create a note taker with clean minimalist UI which let user save quick notes on web page. So let's see what it can generate. So it's generating the app. Let me see. Okay, it generated the app and it's writing the code. So we have to see if it's successful in first attempt or I need to give an extra prompt. With Lovable, you can get 5 messaging credit for every day. Like it's free. And if you want to get into paid plans, it's $20, I think. So you can use easily just the free plan and everything will work. Okay, it's generated the app. So let's see if it can add YT1. Let's create app with Nebius and Lovable. So save note. Okay, it's saving the note. Okay, it's doing pretty good. Upload YT. Upload the video on 23rd. Okay, you can see it's generated a basic app and it lets you put a sticky notes kind of thing, right? You can delete. Okay, let me see what it does after refresh. Okay, so you can check the history. We have just given one prompt, and you can also connect to Supabase and add more functionality, auth, databases, and everything you want. You can also export projects via GitHub. You can publish and deploy this project. So it does a good job in basic functionality, right? Now coming to Nebius, why I use Nebius for my app. As I said, Nebius lets you use any open LLMs for your use case, for projects, for side projects, and anything. So one interesting thing with Nebius is you can use its playground to check models. Let's say I'm using vision models to compare how it performs if I embed it into my another app. Okay, so I'm testing Flux Dev, and I click the compare button here. Here I pick stable diffusion model. So everyone says like stable diffusion is not that good, but we can compare. So let's generate an image of Eiffel Tower on Mars. Okay, it's not Eiffel Tower, I think, due to wrong spelling. Okay, a boy dancing underwater. Let's see what it generates. Okay, this is not a good picture. Okay, Flux is pretty good in doing this. So you can see, like in Nebius AI Playground, you can check which model to use, what's performing better. Similarly, you can compare other text-to-text models. I have given Meta Llama 3.18b Instruct and 0.2.5 Coder 7b, and I asked, explain me the basic JavaScript code with example. Oh, I have given just random prompt. So it has given me an example code. Then we declare variable. It explained me in this way. Okay, so you can see Meta Llama have given the explanation as well as how to run this code, and it has given me just an example. Let's see another. Can you give few more examples? Okay, it has one coder is generating some examples, then features. Qwen can be used in various applications, including, okay, this is the API, everything. Okay, this is too big. This is too big. It's not needed, and it's still writing, so I have to stop it. But you can see Meta Llama does a good job. So you saw, like, you can compare models in the playground, add system prompts, set parameters, everything. And coming to the app, how I generated it. So this is the app called Do You Know, and I named it in Hindi तुमको पता है, meaning do you know, right? So let's upload another image and see if it can explain me something. Okay, I am uploading this image, and it explained me image depicts the Statue of Liberty, an iconic symbol of freedom. You see, it's a message, discovery made, your image has been analyzed successfully. Let's take another image. Okay, I am adding this red fort image generated by Flux, of course. So it let me know, like, how this is a red fort, a historic fortification in the city of Delhi, India. Mughal emperor, built by UNESCO World Heritage Site. So you can see how this is working. How I built it is, like, I have given one prompt here. You can see the timing 11:42 p.m. and the app was ready. You can see it's updating in real time, right? So I have given the prompt at 11:42 and app was almost ready at 11:50, right? And refactor is like, Lovable suggested me your code is getting longer. Do you want to refactor? Then I added, okay, refactor it. So you can see, like, almost it took 42 to 50. Under 10 minutes it was ready. Then after that I have added few more modification, like image analysis, updatation to use Vision API, then improve features and UI, and then I added a Supabase setup to store this recent 5 searches on the app. If anyone searches for something, top 5, like recent 5 results will be here. So you can see that I have improved the rendering, and this was just a error. I was trying to get more and more features, but I thought, okay, if it's working, it's working. I will add more features later on this app. Like, I will add auth and a feature to maintain a streak for the users. So you can see what you learned today, what you learned yesterday, and you can keep track of that, like a snap streak or Duolingo streak kind of thing. So I have given this command to build the app, like build an app like Duolingo, app features, lot of potential features to add, and I have given instructions to use vision model via Nebius API. So I have given this command, right? And it implemented everything properly. This is the generation, this is the result, and then I connected the Supabase projects and it was working. Like, after connecting to Supabase, I have to give Nebius API keys, which I have taken from here after login. One good thing is, like, when you go to the Nebius API doc, I was go here and I copied this. Okay, you can use via Python, curl, or JavaScript. And one also thing is, you can just access this via Playground. Just like, let's say I'm going to this, I use this, going to Playground. You can change the parameters, like I am using fast or base models, and you can just pick this code from here and use inside your app. You can use via curl, javascript, or python. It's OpenAI formatting. So if you want to build your app quickly, you can use Lovable, and if you want to use AI at cheaper rates, you can use Nebius AI Studio. It is more cheaper than other AI providers via API keys. You can play in the playground and compare models which to use inside your projects for your use case. You can pick lots of LLM models and all in a cheaper price. You can get free credits after sign up. So it will be good to try, implement, and test out the app. They are going to launch some text to image models. These are available. So go and build cool projects using AI, give Lovable a try, and do whatever you want to do. And if you have any idea to add into my app, drop in comments and I will try to implement using Lovable itself. Or maybe I can try to code. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.